Okay, so today is July 5th, 2023. AP scores are out for the 2022-2023 school year. And I've seen like a million videos like these, so I just wanted to record my reactions. First of all, I'll give a little rundown on each class. So I took AP Calc AB, AP Physics 1, AP Lit, AP Comp Sci Principles, and AP Seminar. Those are my 5 exams. And then I'll just kind of do a rundown on each. So first of all, with AP Lit, I felt pretty good about that one. I'm pretty confident in my writing abilities. The only thing is for the multiple choice, the teacher was like, yeah, there's no way I can teach you how to do these, so you just got to practice. We just did like Albert to prep for that. So, I mean, that is what that is. But I think I would, I'm not even going to predict my scores. I'm just going to say like why I got my scores before I got them, but felt pretty good about it. He was rating my time writes really well, and it's pretty solid. Now next, moving on to Calc AB. This one I felt pretty good on. Our teacher, I would say, finished a little later than I would have preferred for him to finish as far as the curriculum. But overall, I enjoyed math. I enjoyed calc. It was a solid process, and I think this was the exam I studied the most for, and this is the one I most wanted to succeed on, other than maybe Comp Sci. But this one, I felt fairly prepared for it, and we'll see what the score says. Now moving into physics, it's physics, so the hardest AP exam. I feel like I had a general grasp on the concepts. That being said, I don't know if anyone can say they're gonna get a 4 or a 5 on physics. It's just a different beast. Like, I've heard Physics C is a lot more simple, the same concepts because it's calc based, but I mean AP Physics 1 is just a weird class. So we'll see what the score says, but I had a really nice teacher. We went through the curriculum pretty quick. Don't know how in depth, if it should have been more in depth, but went through the curriculum pretty quick, and then I studied this one a fair amount. But physics is just a weird breed. Now, computer science principles, I think it's the easiest AP exam I've ever taken. Not too bad. The multiple choice went really well. We were doing full-length practice tests for a while before that. I think my computer science teacher prepared us super well. I had a great computer science teacher, and he's going to be my CSA teacher next year. But computer science felt pretty good. My performance task, I think I filled all the requirements, but only time will tell until we see the score. So then AP Seminar, I actually got into this class like 3 weeks into the school just because my schedule moved around, but this one I feel pretty good on because I don't mind like presentational speaking or anything like that. In the first semester, our teacher really prepared us for that. That being said, she had some really strict deadlines on different portions of the exam, and because there's so many portions of the exam, I've never heard of anyone getting a 5, but maybe I just haven't asked enough people. So those are the 5 exams, but yeah. Going a little bit into the history of my AP taking exams, or AP exam taking, that's what I meant to say. It's, I've only taken 1 freshman year and 1 sophomore year, so the freshman one was AP Human Geography. That one was during COVID, so I actually took it online, and that was a 5. Felt pretty good about that one. That was I didn't even really study that much. I just went over some Mr. Sims videos. If anyone's taking human geography, they know who that is. But and then sophomore year, I took AP World, and that's probably the best teacher I've had in high school. So that one I got a 5. I give a lot of credit to him on that. And then I also prepared pretty well, but so far we're 2 for 2 on 5s, but that'll likely change today. But we gotta stay confident. We gotta see what happens. We're right here in the College Board, and we're just gonna have to dive in to our scores. So the scores should be out. And I I'm not sure what order these are gonna pop up in, but we're just gonna have to see. Guys, you're gonna enroll in your AP classes for next year on August 1st. That's cool. Okay. Let's check it out. I don't know. 5 on calc. Okay. 5 on calc. That's really good. That's really good. This authentic reactions. Okay. So 5 on calc. That's good. Okay, so 5 on calc AB. I know it's just AB, not BC, but I'm feeling so happy about that. Looks like next is computer science, but they like block off, or like I wish there was a way to block off the scores and like click on them and reveal them. I know people have made like extensions for that, but time for computer science principles. Let's see what it is. 3. That's shocking. That's kind of devastating, honestly. I'm sitting with that 3 and a 5 right now. The 3 is like, it's still a pass, like could be credit, but that's really disappointing. But I think that's just kind of the nature of APs. So 3 and a 5. Next is lit. So let's just jump right into it. 4 on lit. Okay. 4 on lit is cool. I think that's almost about what I expected. Doesn't feel too terrible. 4 solid though. It's a 4. It's above a 5, so all passes so far. We got 2 left. Next is physics. Physics is physics, so I don't even know what to expect here, but yeah, I think it's 4 on physics. That's crazy. Okay, I was expecting like a 3. 4 on physics is good. I can't be too mad at that. I was joking with my physics teacher. I was like, if I get a 4 or 5, like we gotta go to a Michelin star restaurant because physics is so hard. But gonna do physics 2 next year. Going in with a 4 on physics 1. That feels good, man. So we got 2 4s, a 3, and a 5. Last is seminar. Let's see what happens with seminar. Seminar is so strange. So let's just jump into the last one. It's also a 4. Okay. 3 4s, a 3, and a 5. This is not bad. I can't be too mad at these. I can't expect all 5s. Would have been great, but mostly 4s, a 3, and a 5. This is, and then use the past ones, but this is I guess that's what we're rocking with. I don't know how like the awards and everything work, but those are my reactions. I'm pretty happy. The computer science one, boy, if you don't be dirty, but I don't know if my performance task or the multiple choice was just like not great, but it's a pass, I guess technically. I don't know. Those are my scores. Thanks. I don't know if I'm gonna post this, but thanks for watching if you did.